Welcome back to the Xperdyte tutorial series. In this video, we are going to look at the sales order work page and see how it helps you manage your production planning efficiently. Before we jump into the software, let us look at why this feature is so useful for manufacturers. If your production planning relies heavily on outstanding customer demands, the sales order work page acts as a centralized planning tool. It automatically looks up all active, unfulfilled sales orders within your accounting system, calculates the quantities needed, and balances them against your current stock levels. This means you only manufacture what is required, reducing excess inventory and ensuring you meet your customer delivery dates on time. To access this tool, head over to the main menu on the left side of your screen. Expand the Purchase and Sales Orders section, and then click on Sales Order Work page. This will open up your main planning workspace. At the top of the screen, you have several options to customize your calculation. First is the Up-to-Date field. You can use this calendar filter to select a specific date, allowing you to focus only on demands due within a certain time frame, like this week or this month. Next, you will see the Exclude Stores option. If you have a damaged stock warehouse or consignment stock that should not be included in your available supply, you can add those locations here to keep your calculations accurate. On the right, you can check or uncheck options to include your quantity on hand, work in progress from active works orders, and minimum safety stock levels. Once your filters are set up, go ahead and click the Calculate button. The system will process the real-time data from your accounting system and populate the grid with all items that require production planning attention. Let us break down what the columns in this grid mean. The sales order quantity column displays the total outstanding quantity from your active sales orders that has not yet been fulfilled. Minimum level indicates the minimum safety stock level you must maintain. The quantity on hand column shows your current stock available in your stores. The work in progress column quantity is very important as it shows the quantities that are already being manufactured on existing active works orders. The system subtracts your demand from your supply to give you the quantity required. Finally, the quantity to make column defaults to this requirement, but you can manually override it if you always manufacture in specific batch sizes. If you need to see exactly where these numbers are coming from, you can use the built-in action buttons to drill down into the details. To see stock levels across different warehouses, click the Action button in the Item Query column. The View Orders column will open up a detailed window showing you every specific sales order contributing to that total demand. Clicking on the button in the Works Order Query column will display all active works orders currently contributing to your work in progress quantity. If you need to export this data or share it with your production team, you can click on the Print Grid button at the top. This opens up a clean report preview layout showing all your planned items, quantities, and balances, which can be printed out or exported directly. Now that your planning is complete, it is time to turn these requirements into actual production. Click the Select All button on the toolbar or manually select the rows you want to process. Next, click on the Generate List button. This actions a new window called Auto Create Works Orders. Here, you get a final look at the list of works orders to be created, including their start dates and target quantities. You can still modify any details here if needed. When you are satisfied, click on Create Works Orders, and the system will automatically generate all of them simultaneously. To verify that your planning has been successfully actioned, return to the main screen and click the Calculate button once more. You will notice that your required quantities are now 0. This is because the system now recognizes the newly created quantities under the Work in Progress quantity column, showing that your production matches your outstanding demand perfectly. That covers how to use the sales order work page to streamline your production scheduling based on real-time customer demand. For more tutorials on how to optimize your manufacturing processes, be sure to check out our other videos. If you have any questions or need technical support, feel free to reach out to our team at info@xperdyte.co.za. Thanks for watching.